friends, this is the MrsVolfie from our half-acre homestead, and today I want to tell you about what I learned about the do's and don'ts of oiling eggs for storage. Okay, as many of you know, I have done this video before, but I'm going to show it to you again, and then I'm going to explain some things as I oil the eggs. At this time of year, right now I have 8 laying hens, and I'm getting 6 to 8 eggs every day. So, I'm going to preserve them for up to 9 months. First, I'm going to tell you how. These eggs have been all been washed. They've all been washed and then allowed to air dry at room temperature. This is really important, folks. Why? Because if they're cold or they're wet, when you oil them, the oil will not stick to a wet spot. And if they're cold, you might get condensation as they're coming down to room temperature. So, all I have here is some mineral oil from the drugstore, and you only need about a tablespoon to do all these eggs. You get this at the drugstore because people use it, have been known to use it for it's food grade. You can use it for medicine or whatever, and you just completely coat the egg with mineral oil. And while your hands are still oily, we're going to continue to coat the rest. Now, why are we coating these with mineral oil? Well, when eggs are first hatched, they have on them what is called a bloom, which is a coating that as it comes out of the chicken's bum, it gets coated with a substance that allows the eggs to breathe, but also keeps bacteria out so that when they hatch them, the babies will be healthy. Now, when I first started doing this, I discovered this, of course, on, what was that, Doomsday Prepper show, and there was a woman there who showed how to preserve eggs. The problem was, folks, she was using store-bought eggs. You do not use store-bought eggs. Why? Because what they don't tell you is that store-bought eggs have been washed and coated in mineral oil so that they can have a longer shelf life in the fridges of the grocery stores. That is why there is a best before date on eggs. See, I've only used like a teaspoon, and I'm going to go back over all of these, the original ones that were really oily, and just to recoat my hands. You just want to make sure that these are really well coated. Now, the ones you buy in the store, folks, have already been sitting there for who knows how long. But if you go by the best before date, you can guarantee that best before date that your eggs are probably between 6 and 9 months old. So, don't be going and buying eggs from the store and trying to coat them and keep them fresh. They won't stay fresh for the full 9 months. These are fresh eggs, folks. Fresh eggs. And now they're good for 6 to 9 months. Now, you can keep them in a cool, dark place like a root cellar or something, but it is best to keep them in a refrigerator. While my hens are laying 6 to 8 eggs a day, and there's only 2 of us, this gives me the opportunity to save up a lot of eggs so I can make deviled eggs, potato salad, egg salad, and baking for the upcoming pig roast, or even, well, these eggs, this is May, and I'm going to write on here, this is May 22nd, 21st. Today's May 21st. So these eggs will be good on or up until on or before June, July, August, September, October, November, December, February. February 22nd, these eggs will still be good. They won't be fresh, but they won't be bad either. And after a while, you will notice that when you check these in a few weeks, the oil will have gone. It will have absorbed into the porous holes of the shell, essentially sealing it to keep it fresh. Now, folks, I've had people ask, and it's not a stupid, there's no such thing as a stupid question unless you don't ask it. You cannot hatch eggs once they have been washed and oiled, because what's in them no longer will be able to breathe. That's why we oil them. So that they don't breathe, they stay fresher longer. All right, this is the Miss Volfie from our half-acre homestead saying it is the height of egg laying season. It is time to oil, date, and save your eggs in a spare fridge. Take care, God bless.